How to contact Lyft customer support. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to contact the Lyft customer support, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After that, tap onto U button at the bottom, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find Help button. Tap on it. Now from here, simply choose the relevant topic, just like this. And from here you can simply find the answers of your questions. And if you want the online support, you can simply visit the Lyft Help Center to browse articles or submit a support request. And that's it. This is how you can contact Lyft customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.